Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm doing a quick review of one of these handy hand things for doing soldering and so on. I've had many of these different types in the past, but they've all sort of let me down in a certain way and just ended up being in a drawer. So I hope these ones will stay working, let's say. But we'll do a quick review on it and we'll have a look. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my patrons. You guys are awesome. I appreciate everything you've done for the channel. I really do. If you'd like to join them, all the links are in the description, but please don't feel like you have to. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so I'm halfway through a project and this is the perfect time to test this. So let's open it up and set it up. I hate all this fiddly packaging. Okay. So I assume these, oh, so they screw into this, do they? Quite a clever idea. So they screw into either side of this, but I'm now going to have to find something to put this in because it can't be on the side of my desk. What I'll do is probably get one of my clamps and clamp it in. I did try and 3D print some of these a few years ago, but my 3D printer at the time was not the best and it wasn't very well tuned or anything, so everything, these were so tight, you know, you ended up snapping them before they did anything. Okay, let's get, we've got 4 croc clips and 3 ends. Okay. Doesn't feel too cheap, to be honest. I'll keep this spare one connected to one of them for now. Okay, so this would normally connect to a desk, and if you've ever got any kind of light or microphone or anything, they all have this exact clamp set up. So they work well enough, but I would be needing mine to be able to be moved around wherever I need it. So let's clear up a little bit and then I'll get something to go in. Get something to go in, I know what I mean. Get it to go in something. Okay, I've got a few of these work zone clamps and they're good enough. What I'm going to do, just clamp that in like that. The grip strength on the croc clip kind of things is quite good. I've got a USB socket, I've got a switch, and then I've got some wires which I'm going to tin the ends of, and then we're going to connect it all up together. Okay, a super simple little device, and it works very well. I just hope that it won't slowly get looser and looser over time. If it does, then it's useless. If it doesn't, then it's perfect. But that will be a longevity test that I can't just do on here. Okay, there we go, done. Thank you so much to my Patreons. Thank you to you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.